Today we're working on motorcycles. It's raining outside. Some of our bikes need some work and some of them need some cosmetics. I bought these mirrors online right here with signal lights on them. So if you ever see these, which you will see these online, the reverse polarities, and they're being an absolute pain in the ass to friggin' put them on.
American, but doesn't always hold true.
Ken's bike's got a front wheel bearing problem, so we're working on that today. We got the V-rod ripped apart here with its electrical. This is what we're working on right now. This mirror here. So if you see these blade mirrors for sale on wherever, Google, the internet, the webs, I'd say stay away from them. Do not buy those mirrors. See, they're laughing with me because they concur. This half an hour jobs end up being 3 days and I don't know how many hours, man. We even had to take off out of town to go get some resistors.
Did you say they're reverse polarity?
Yeah, I told them all the reverse polarity, and they're nothing but a pain in the ass. Do not buy these mirrors. So, the unboxing, which there is none, the, I don't know what the hell you call it, but whatever it is, just don't buy these mirrors, man. This one right here, don't buy these mirrors. They look cool, but the makers don't know what the hell they're doing.
What do you do with the...
So, oh, it was right there, right on the desk there.
What do you look for this one?
Yeah, so just jack it up a bit.
Yeah. I'm looking for this socket.
So we got a Fatboy S, a Harley Davidson Night Rod Special V-Rod, and we got a Harley Davidson Soft Tail Standard right here. That's the one I always call the chopper. So I'm going to pan around here.
Well, yeah, that's fine. Yeah. You know,
So right now what we're doing is on the mirror signal lights is that we're going to run a resistor that...
LED load resistor.
Yeah, LED, I can't get this in my brain. LED load resistor. So we're going to run
Because
that.
you had filament bulbs on there before, and you're changing them to an LED. And they require more of a load to make your signal circuit
That's right.
work.
So right now, because of reverse polarity, and we have a 3-wire connection, I'm going to end up losing my running lights.
Take that right off.
And because of reverse polarity, we're going to try to make these signal lights work, because we found them to work. We just need to take the load, make the load different, right? But the damn problem is that these things run hot, and so the experiment is to see how hot and where we're going to mount. I wanted to mount them in here, but as you see, I've got no space. I got wires, I got plastic, so that's going to burn if it says it's going to run hot. I'm going to try to run it under my seat here, but as you can see, that's my gas tank. I got some fuses here, but this plate is metal. So we're looking at, if this all works out here with these diodes, I'm going to try to line this into here, drill into this plate, stash them underneath, and hopefully one day I don't blow myself up
You get the shaft, man.
putting gas in my tank.
Now there's a spacer here, and here is your sensor for your ABS.
Yeah.
So you see those are already dropping out. You just have to be careful when you pull your wheel out. That looks like it came out as a unit. That's nice. That's sweet. Okay, now you also got a spacer here. So when pull it right out. There you go. That's it. As long as you pull out, you won't get pregnant. Yeah.
All right, nephew. You know, plug your ears on that one, but that's okay. That's okay. You'll hear this when you're older anyway.
Sensor there, eh? But now your caliper is in the way, so we're going to have to pull that off.
Pass me.
Yeah, I got to figure out where my
Tell it after
3 days of rest. Here it is.
14,000 kilometers, my bearing went.
Yeah, 14,000 kilometers, man.
What we're suspecting, right, Jim?
Yeah.
Your wheel bearing.
Wheel bearing.
Wheel bearing.
Yeah, 14,000 kilometers. That was a Wednesday afternoon wheel bearing for sure. So now the caliper's got to come off to try to make space to get the tire off. Brake caliper. But it's raining, so there wasn't going to be too much riding today anyways. It's been, I think somebody figured out how much sunny days we had this summer. It was 10 days total this summer of sunny days. So it has been a sloppy, soggy,
There you go.
lousy summer.
All right, buddy, we set it there.
Yeah, you got your bearings with you?
No, I didn't bring the bearing. I just didn't want. I just
We
wanted
had
to
10
take
days of sunshine.
10 days of sunshine, man. But this signal light mirror, as you see, one more time, we'll end up with a signal light mirror. If you see these online, do not buy these mirrors. Absolute crap. They don't look too bad, but that's about as far as it goes. So we're going to try to dial it in today. Get them on the bike. I can hardly see through them as well. I mean, this is all just cosmetics, eh, man? But anyways, the bike's pulled apart the third time now. And I'm going to see if I can get these damn things on today, man. So anyways, that's the end of the video. Take care, everybody. Best wishes. And we'll see you in the next video.